What is going on, everybody? So we got a 2011 370Z. That guy right there. That guy over there wants PPE Longtube headers. Where are they actually? Where are they? They're on the ground, right? So you got PPE Longtubes right here. Heat shield. Driver side is a little bit more tough, a little bit less room, but we'll make it work. Right there. Can't really see on the camera, but in person you can see the bolts a little bit better. But so we get those 10 mils off. It's 4 on each side. So this one here, there's 4, and there's 4 on this side. So once the heat shield's off, we can see the actual studs with the bolts actually holding the manifold. I'm pretty sure it's 6 on each side. And then after that, should be not too bad. So can't wait to put these on. It's gonna be on a Motordyne exhaust. That's why it's gonna sound so unique. Usually the ones you see are like single exit, but this one is a full dual Motordyne. You already know how good that sounds with the ARP pipes right now. But with the long tube headers and going to the actual Motordyne, it's gonna sound really good. He has a muffler delete pipe in the middle, which is a resonated one. So we're thinking maybe we're gonna experiment. We're gonna see with that one how it sounds. If it's too raspy or a little bit high pitch, we'll get the original box and put it on. And I think that combination is gonna sound pretty good. All right, so my buddy down there is turning the wrench one by one because that nut here in the middle of the bottom, that one is terrible. So he's gonna have to use our open end wrench and just wrench it from the bottom. Same thing with the last one on the bottom, very bottom. I'm trying to get the camera in there, I can't see shit. So these are the top ones. He's tightening the bottom one right there, that one. That one is terrible. And this one right here. I can't even see. Okay, yeah, that one right there. That one also you gotta have to manually turn.
That's done already?
So just 2 of these. The rest we were able to just do it snug up with the regular wrench. And these long wrenches help out a lot. So like, for example, this one with the ratcheting. So that helped a lot. So just turning it one by one, just be patient. And then the goal was to get this side in anyways. And then we'll do this. It is a weekday, so we're gonna have to tackle that one. And then that's pretty much it, man. So this is right there, you can see them, they're in. We're gonna attach the steering shaft, put everything back together there, and then put the white pipe on, tighten everything down, and then we'll finish the top stuff, put the intake on. That's it.
Look at this. The whole time it was just rubbing on the trans tunnel.
Look. That's one nut. One.
This is from yesterday, bro.
Look, that's 2 nuts. Look. Yeah, that's from the passenger side. So this is the aftermath. They don't show you this, you know? They don't show you this side, but we will. Look. So, yeah, so as I said, we're gonna put the steering shaft back in, put the white pipe on, and then tighten down everything and then put everything back together on the top. And then we're gonna start the car. And then we are extending the O2 sensors. So our buddy here He extended it for us, and you can see he did a nice job. Wow, it looks OEM, and to the connector all the way to the top. This is the 350Z. That was like what was the color of that?
Purple glazed donut.
Purple glazed donut.
Green and purple.
Green and purple, yeah. I'm pretty sure it was on the channel, but this is the new color here. Check it out, guys. This is what is it? Romance red.
Red, yeah.
And this is like a satin.
Satin chrome.
Yeah. So entire car was sanded down, primered, everything. I'm pretty sure he's gonna PPF the hood.
We did already.
Already looks like it, yeah. So PPF,
Carbon PPE.
carbon PPF here, and yeah, they did a lot of work. I think they did. Yeah.
Getting full interior on. Yeah, and you got full Motordyne.
All right, guys. So we're underneath. Check it out. PPE. All installed. The extensions were. That's yeah, underneath the car spotted. This is the primary one. Whatever's first, and then this is the secondary one, which is after that. So this one we were able to make an extension, extended it long enough, zip tied it up, made sure it's nice and secure away from the headers, right? You don't want to be too close to that. This one, just a regular O2 sensor, and tuck it underneath this bracket, nice and secure. Everything looks good. Now the Y pipe.
Sorry.
Hey, I just laughed that way.
All right, guys, here we go. All right, guys, so we put everything back together. Disclaimer, so basically these PPE Longtube headers are a little bit, they sit a little bit closer to the engine, so you're gonna have to, it does bring the exhaust a little bit more forward, so the tips might be a little bit in, but honestly that's just something so light, I'm gonna be able to fix that, no problem. All right, so here comes the first startup. We're gonna do it up pretty soon. Here. All right, guys, so everything's pretty much ready. We're gonna start it up right now. This is gonna be the first reaction. Damn, it is louder. It is louder. Yeah, so just the smoke coming from the headers. These are like pretty much brand new with the Cerakote. You can literally smell the stainless steel. And yeah, the smoke is a little bit gone now. So there we go, man. You can already hear the difference. It's much louder, and you can hear the tone is different. The idle is different. It's more aggressive.